everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pinterest not syncing between devices. First of all, log out on both the devices by clicking on your profile in the top right corner. Go to settings and click on the logout option. Then update Pinterest on both sides by going to the App Store, search for Pinterest and make sure you have updated your app. After that, go ahead and restart both devices and log in again using the same email or Apple ID that you've used on both the devices, and that's it. Safety tip: do not share your login access to many devices. Quick fix: reinstall Pinterest on the device that won't sync, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.